I'm Lexi and Ethan's here. We're here to show you how to put together the continents templates from my store Eager Minds. Alright, let's get started. So after you have printed off the template, or you may have been given the template in the mail if you've ordered a kit, you need to cut around the outline in the center of the black line. So Asia comes in two parts. We'll put those together with sticky tape. And we'll trim off any of the excess sticky tape that's coming off the edge. Now we do the same for Antarctica. Cut around the outline, down the middle and join the three parts together. Excuse the typo in Antarctica, I've fixed that now. Then you place the templates onto the felt, pin them on. So Africa is green and all the continents have their own colours. You pin them around and you cut out the outline, nice and close to the edge. And so that we have all the continents cut out on their colours, on their corresponding colours. Once you have all the continents cut out, you're going to put them on the backing fabric and cut a big section around the outside. Don't cut them close because we're going to sew them and then trim them later. Now we're going to sew around the outside of the continent, about 1/8 of an inch in from the edge. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and the end. There we have Antarctica, the whole continent version. Then we're going to get the scissors, cut around the edge. We do this because if you cut the backing fabric at the same time, it tends to slip and slide and the edges don't match up sometimes. So this way you get a much neater finish. So there's the end product, the front and the back. Now we've got Antarctica version 2, which is the extended version. We do the same, but and this one has two white colours, so you can reverse it. You can use either side on the map and rearrange the continents. We do the same, sewing 1/8 of an inch in from the edge all the way around. Remember to backstitch and then trim off the excess fabric. Here's the end result. Antarctica, white on both sides. So now we've got the UK and Europe. So we're going to sew the UK first. So as close to around the edge as you can, or 1/8 of an inch in, just around the land. Trim off the threads. Then we're going to place the UK into between the red and the beige colour, we're going to sew that in place. You can pin it in place so it doesn't move while we sew. Now we're going to start sewing along the edge. Again, 1/8 of an inch in. Start by sewing along the edge that joins the UK to the main continent, and then go all the way around, trim off the threads, and then cut out the beige fabric. And there we have Europe. That's the back, and that's the front. So we do the same for all the continents. We go around the outside and then trim off the backing fabric. So that's all the continents done. The back and the front, and this is the result. So we have two versions of Antarctica, and we have all the continents. This is them displayed on the mat, which you can also buy in my store, Eager Minds. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that helped you. And if you need any other creations, visit my store, Eager Minds.